By Keys, live market cap blog Alexandria, article by Colin Sefton. So we're reviewing this article. So if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial updates on crypto, airdrops, and more guys and other money making tutorials. So on crypto news today, it says January 2021, red numbers everywhere by Connor Sefton, so created 23 hours ago, last updated 2 hours ago. So the biggest and best crypto news ever, we'll be reading out the top headlines. So BTC plunges to lowest level since August. We have $30,560.45. The world's biggest cryptocurrency has fallen by 6.68% over the past 24 hours. ETH near $2,800 at one point. Our next headlines, we have New York City Mayor gets crypto paycheck. So the Department of Labor and labor rules mean Eric Adams cannot directly receive his paycheck in crypto, meaning the funds have to go through Coinbase. So he was paid them $260,000 a year. So next news headline, we have Twitter allows NFTs to be used as profile pictures. So the social network's latest crypto-friendly tool is only accessible to those who have subscribed to its Twitter Blue service. Elon Musk has described the new feature as annoying and believes Twitter should focus on tackling crypto scams instead. We have BTC-backed loans offered to El Salvador firms. We have interest rates could be between 6% and 10%, and this is being described as a vast improvement on the status quo. With some entrepreneurs end up in the hands of loan sharks where annual interest rates average on 2,300%. So guys, that's the top headlines we have on crypto news today. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. There are lots of other perks here you want to check out. So your boy Keys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We'll be bringing out the news in full. I'll also be dropping the link to this article in the description box so you want to check it out. Peace out guys, one love and stay safe.